You do remain seated with your seatbelt fastened. Our plane has just started taxiing. I would like to apologize for a small delay of departure due to the shorter flight time than in schedule. We will try to minimize
Lose your electronic device, it gets stuck between the seats, its battery is damaged, hot or produces smoke, please immediately notify a crew member. If you are seated in